Hi, this is Rob. Today I have something a little bit different to unbox. So if you would take the time, I appreciate it if you go down and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm getting uploading new videos. Thanks. Well, let's get into it. Okay, I have an action camera from Yi. I think that's how it's said. It's a cheap action camera. It's on Amazon for $53. So we're going to open it up and see what it does. There we go. Not a whole lot of specs and stuff on it. Got off of Amazon for $57 and some cents. I think it's like 80 cents or something like that. I guess it's from, the pad at the top. Nice. When you open the box, this is what you get. Get it back here, see if I can get light on it. Take it out. So this is what it looks like. Where your battery goes. See if I can get that open. Battery goes in there, and can't see it, but the SIMS card, or not the SIMS card, the SD card. Not sure if you can see it, probably not. Yeah, it goes right in there. Got a 2-inch touchscreen on the back. I don't know what this is. Has to charge it. God, lighting's terrible today. Speaker, the microphones, I guess that's the on and off. So let's see what else comes in the box. Nothing there. Thank you card. Some more miscellaneous stuff. Directions and how to get started. Got accessories, the app. Got the battery. Box is empty. Empty. This is the charging cable. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is also for transferring files over. That is a very small cord. Very small cord. Good thing I have a couple cords like that that are longer. Okay. Let's take this off. One on the lens too. See if the battery has any charge in it. Okay. See, does it go in a certain way? Lens. Oh yeah, you got the 3 things there. They're down in there. I'm surprised that this is so dark. I don't know why it is dark. But also has it on here. It says which way to go. I don't know if you can see that. It says lens. Okay. Okay, we have noise. There we go. What'd that say? English. Next. Location. It's a touch screen, very responsive. Next. Next. Tell me where everything's at. Try to get this up there where I can see it. Enjoy your Yi action cam. Okay, that's what it looks like. See if you doesn't look too bad. It's an 1080 1080p 60 frames per second right now. It's supposed to have 4K, but it's 4K. Let me see. Resolution. It's 4K 20 frames. From what I understand, it's not very good. So we'll go back to that one. Connection, SD card, camera settings, camera release. It's got, let's hit the about. Got timestamp. Low light. Definitely want that on. I want to come on. Oh, that's weird. Should come on. It's got electronic or whatever it is, stabilization. Not switching. It's supposed to switch. Put it to low. Maybe you gotta put it on when it's on. I don't know. But that's it. I'll get some footage of it from it and put it up and see. I'm going to try to use this as a vlogging camera. Turn it off for now. Nice music. So I bought this to go with it. God, that light is just bad today. Bought that to go with it so I can put it on my Vimble 2. It's really cool. It actually is a selfie stick also. Tripod on the bottom. It can come off. I have the Osmo Plus the Osmo, first Osmo I got over there. I've been playing with today the Osmo 2. You know what? This and the Osmo 2 I've been playing with for a few days, and this one is a lot better than the DJI Osmo 2, Mobile 2. You can hear the motor when I record on the Mobile 2, the Osmo 2. This one I don't hear the motor. So this will probably be my blogging one. Hopefully it'll work. I've seen other people do it. So we get this. This was $11.99, I think, at God, Amazon. Oh my God! I just like, phew, that was it. And this is supposed to be, oh, maybe this way. Yeah, it fits in there. Still can see the screen. This goes in just like a phone would. Then you balance it out and it will, you got it right there. Got the, I don't know what those are for. What are those? I think I have an idea what they might be. Like washers? There's these little white things in there. I don't know what they are. I don't know what they're for. I assume, let's see what they are. What they're made of. They're washers. So they have to do with something to do with that. Maybe they go underneath. I don't know. What happens is this sits in there like that. This goes here. You screw it in. Sorry. You screw it in. And then you put it on your Osmo or your gimbal, whichever. And you start taking video. Let's go there. No directions. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure this out. I will try to get some footage with this camera up soon. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Thanks. Bye for now.